Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Treat Day. Got something special for you, peanut butter chocolate Rice Krispie bars. Welcome back, everybody. Great to see each and every one of you. I'm excited to be back doing some keto stuff. And what better than the Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal? I am super excited about this. You heard what I said. It's our chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispie bar. Now, you can look online and there are a few recipes on Rice Krispie bars that are keto and low carb, but they're so complicated. I'm thinking, who the heck is ever going to go through all that work and pay that much money for a Rice Krispie bar just to get it low carb or keto style? I thought if anybody can come up with an idea, I know I can. And I came up with the easiest and quickest way to make a Rice Krispie bar. I can't believe it, right? So at the end, you're going to see a slideshow and you'll see how to make it. But real quick, I'll tell you, it is plain pork rind, stevia, the packages. It's a marshmallow cream by that Weldon Farms. You can get that at Walmart. And it is obviously the Lily's Bar chocolate and powdered peanut butter. That's it. That's how I made it. And I wasn't sure if it was going to come together, but it did. Now, the only difference that I noticed is when I was cutting it out of the pan, it's got the nice form and everything to it, but it's a little softer than a Rice Krispie bar. Imagine when I bite into it, it's not going to be crunchy. But let's bite into it and try it out. Before I knock it, I want to try it. It turned out, the look of it, really great, and I have pictures. But here it is right here. Let me show you. There it is. There's the bottom, the chocolate on it, everything. It looks really good. But like I said, when it came out, it seemed like it was a little bit more chewier. So let's take a taste test. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so good. Exactly what I thought. It is softer. It doesn't have the crunch to it like a Rice Krispie bar does. It's softer, almost like cake. Almost like that, but more chewy. Oh, you taste the peanut butter, the chocolate. You don't taste pork rind. I promise you that. You don't. There's the bottom again. There's the top. I know who's going to love this. Veronica. She is a peanut butter lover. Veronica, right here. Now, the pan I made was a smaller pan. I will put the size in at the end. But it was your smaller pan that was maybe like the size of like a picture frame lengthwise, but it's, you know, shorter this way. And I was able to, I cut out 6 slices, and 6 slices you're going to have, it was 26 carbs for the whole pan. So I'm guessing, what is this going to be, around 4 carbs for one big slice of that. And that was a pretty big piece that I had. But seriously, 4 carbs, it's going to be no more than 3 to 4 carbs for one slice. And it is so yummy. And this time of the year, this is when all the treats come out. You got Thanksgiving, you got Christmas. All these cookies and things are being made. And there's lots of things you can make keto. But oh my God, anybody that likes chocolate and peanut butter, right here. And like I said, I did it with a powdered peanut butter, but oh my God, I have to have another bite. It's so good. Yum. It 100% tastes like a Rice Krispie bar. It just doesn't have the crunchiness of a Rice Krispie bar. But I love it. I am a huge lover of chocolate and peanut butter Rice Krispie bars. That's exactly what it tastes like to me. But like I said, it's just softer. But I don't know, I like that. It's like a little chewier and softer. I love it. Like I said, I guarantee, Veronica, you're going to love this because I know you love peanut butter and I'm sure you love chocolate. I did this one with the milk chocolate Lily bar. They have the dark chocolate. I did it with the milk chocolate, but oh my God, this is so good. You guys, I'm serious. I love it. I can't stop eating it. Mmm. Yum. I don't know how to describe it because it tastes just like a Rice Krispie bar. It just doesn't have the crunchiness to it. I don't know. It's so good. I love it. So anyways, I'm definitely going to finish the rest of this. I normally don't, but I'm okay for carb right now, so I'm definitely going to enjoy this because like I said, it's only like 3 or 4 carbs. I cannot wait to show my brother Robbie this. I was telling him my recipe, and he was saying, yeah, I'm not sure how that'll turn out, but definitely tell me what you think. And wow, definitely make this, you guys. You're going to love it. And it's, like I said, because it's not crunchy like a Crispy bar, maybe you'll think that it won't taste as great. It is delicious. That's all I can say. It's delicious, and I will definitely make this recipe again. I'm actually going to make it and bring it to a family gathering because people can have these and not even know that these are keto. So good. Absolutely delicious. I am so glad that this recipe turned out. I was afraid it wasn't going to turn out. The only thing that didn't turn out in it, it didn't get crispy, because I do forget that when you get pork rind wet, which, you know, putting in the liquid, because I put butter in it too. I did use a half a stick of butter too. But when you're putting in the liquids and stuff like that, that's right, it's going to make it softer. But oh my God, I love this, and I'm definitely going to make it again. You guys definitely got to try this recipe out. Absolutely delicious. I am happy to be back. I will see you guys on Thursday for my live. I will be there at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I know you guys have been missing me. So I look forward to seeing all of you for that live questions and answers. Get ready with your questions because I'm back. Keto Treat Day, Rice Krispie Chocolate Peanut Butter Bar. Definitely try it out. You guys all take care. God bless, and I will see all of you in my next video. I love you guys. Now go make these. They're so yummy.